Now it's a very common thing that you want to change the C++ standard, that means C17 or C20 or C23, stuffs like that. Now you want to change that standard in VS Code. So how do you do that? Just go to here, settings, and just type standard, and you will see these two options, C++ default standard and the C standard, default C standard. If you want to change the C standard, then click on this drop down menu and just select your standard, C11 or C17 or C23, the latest one. Similarly for C++, just select what you need. Okay, so in any case that you don't see these settings, that means your extension is not installed. That means the default C++ extension pack is not installed. I have installed it so that I can see all these settings. So if you haven't installed it, then you won't see any of these settings. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you.